Would you look at that? An all too familiar sight for family campers. The after-dinner mess. Now here's a family who knows how to camp. This is Brio, the ultimate portable kitchen for outdoor cooking.
Hi, I'm Evan, co-founder of the Brio Kitchen Box. This is more than just a storage solution. It's the key to transforming any location into your own personal kitchen oasis.
Brio was inspired by my childhood. When I was a kid, my dad built camping boxes to deal with disorganized cooking so our family could spend more time creating great memories together. Our team wants to help you do the same, so we've embarked on a mission to create the ultimate outdoor cooking companion. The result? The Brio Kitchen Box. This isn't just another piece of camping equipment. It's a game changer for outdoor enthusiasts. With a sleek yet functional design, Brio is ready to take on any outdoor challenge and look good doing it.
Setup is a breeze.
Cheers. Cheers. Cooking outdoors has never been easier.
I love how compact and portable it is.
Let's put the spontaneity back in outdoor adventures. Brio keeps you organized so you don't have to. Just grab it and go. Spending more time outdoors, creating lifelong memories without the hassle.
Join us in revolutionizing outdoor cooking. Support our campaign and help us bring the Brio Kitchen Box to outdoor enthusiasts everywhere. Order yours today and spend more time enjoying nature.